Okay, finally we can start. So sorry that took so long. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two special guests with me. You guys have already met Celine, nothing special about her. This is my other roommate, Anne-Marie. Today we're doing a group video. We've lived together for two and a half months now. And now we're doing a video and we are doing the... It's always funny when people walk by. Today we are doing the messy most likely to. So we've all written a bunch of most likely tos. Celine the least amount.
Because I'm not. She wrote one. I was watching 90 Day Fiancé. Priorities.
Basically, we're only going to be picking 10. I think there's like 13. And basically we're going to vote. And whoever gets the most votes then gets a face of whipped cream. Unfortunately, this is not vegan, so not sponsored, not anything like that. Just plain old Ready Whip. Love. Big fan. So yeah, let's just get into it. Let's not dilly-dally. Oh, Anne-Marie is picking first. She's decided.
Let's see. Oh, who's most likely to get gray hair first?
I wrote this one. And you can't vote for yourself, obviously. Unless, like...
Can't you?
I mean, but then you're more likely to get whipped cream to the face.
True.
So why would you want to vote for yourself?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
We can't see.
Oh, I said Celine.
But you're blonde. Oh my god.
So we have our plate, our hand-knitted plate.
Oh my god.
Since Anne-Marie picked, she will do the plate. Look at her protecting herself.
Wait, so how much am I putting?
As much as you think.
Wait, yeah, so
but like a plate.
How do you decide, like, who puts it in their face?
Well, she picked, so she'll do the face.
Anne-Marie!
Can we just
admire?
You can't even see. Look at that. That's a lot.
Of course I'm clicking first.
Do I get a warning? A warning.
I need to go there now.
Just go for it. Go ham. 1, 2, 3. Why did I catch it? I didn't think it through.
Someone take a picture.
I will. Where's my phone?
It's in my nose. It's going down.
Are you crying? This towel.
Oh.
Next one. Do you want to pick or should I?
You can go. We can go down the line.
Okay.
This is gonna get gross fast.
Most likely to live in Antarctica. I feel like it's none of us.
I know.
I thought of this one.
1, 2, 3.
Celine.
I said.
Oh, we all said different people.
Oh shit.
Oh, then no one gets pine.
Woo!
Okay.
Yay! I don't know.
Whereas I'm turning the air down to 60.
like,
Yeah, you turned the air down to 63 last night. Like.
But like, I would have said myself because I feel like I can see myself being like living out of the country. So I would have said myself. But I don't
well, I said no because I feel like you.
Yeah, it would be the last place I would want to live.
Yeah.
Okay.
What does this say? This go to grad school. Most likely to go to grad school.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
You're so dumb.
I can pick a different one.
No.
We're doing this?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're 3.
Wait. Oh,
We
you
all said different people.
Oh.
my
Why'd you say me?
Because you wanted to change your career.
That doesn't mean I want to go to grad school.
I know.
I only said you because I think you're probably the smartest out of all.
And I didn't pick you because I feel like you just like don't want to graduate and like you're the only other option. And I'm not gonna pick myself.
Wow. 2 for 2, guys.
Wow.
This one is so
my
long.
favorite one.
Oh my god, this is so long.
This is the one that I wanted to do.
All
Okay.
right, read it.
Most likely to be the newest cast member in SVU.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Because it's our favorite show.
Okay. Did you come up with this?
SVU.
Yeah, I came up with it.
We are big fans.
I thought you Googled it.
Huge fans of SVU.
That's why I picked it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
I knew it was gonna be me, but obviously I'm not gonna put myself. I just put you because you have really big boobs, you know. Victim. I want to stick a bib. Ew, I don't want this anchor bib. Okay.
mouth. Or I don't know.
Close your mouth.
Close your mouth. Hold.
It's fine, I'm gonna wash it. Oh, it's really good.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Nah, it's okay.
God.
I don't care that much.
All around me are familiar faces.
Now someone's gonna walk out and be like,
what the fuck?
Should I say something to him?
No.
No.
Should I say something to her?
No.
I mean, I'm fine with the rest on my face.
Now there's like whipped cream.
Oh, look at my...
Ah.
Anne-Marie's are just all getting picked. Well, is this it? Most likely to die if something's stupid. Who wrote that? Was it you?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That one, that's the one that I got from online.
I look so ridiculous.
Oh my God.
I look like I was the only one pied so far.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I have a feeling it's me. Oh, no.
Oh.
I put you.
Oh,
Oh my god.
I thought it would be me, honestly, because I do stupid shit, but
It could go either way.
I
with
just
you
feel
or
like
me.
something would be like
I feel like something's bound to happen to you.
Me?
yeah.
I feel like
Oh.
shit always happens to you.
You do have the craziest stories.
I do.
That's true. I'm gonna
My
put
turn
on
to
the plate.
pie.
Yeah, you pie.
Here's the fun
I'm gonna-
towel.
Oh!
I'm gonna get ya.
Yeah, but there's whipped cream
Ready?
on both sides.
Yeah, it's done.
All right, girl. What are you doing? You ready?
Because there's whipped cream on this side too, so I don't want to get it.
There's no winning. Look at me. There's no winning.
Okay.
You can't cover most of your face. I'm sorry, I just had to go for it.
Oh my god.
Oh. I see it dripping.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Oh no, it just fell.
On to the next question. Your turn to pick. Girl,
Go bankrupt first.
I wrote that one. No tea, no shade.
Yeah.
No, what was it? Go bankrupt first?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I think it's gonna be me. Yep.
Yeah. Just because, like,
I
I feel
wrote
like you're
this-
always buying stuff.
I know. I wrote this and was like, I just didn't realize till now that I was like, it's gonna be me. Let's get this over with. This towel, tragic. Ew.
Oh.
Ugh, okay. Okay, just do it.
I'm going to.
Well,
Can you just? I hate this towel. Can you just do it? Did you see me like back away?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh god, I can't open this eye. This is
Ew. I hate it.
I can't see. I'm scared to open this eye. I swear to God, I'm so scared.
Your lashes. Oh my god.
I eat it more than anything. And I'm just like,
I did not.
yeah, but compared to how much I wiped up, man, I just want Celine to get pied again.
I don't.
Have a shotgun wedding.
I wrote.
I basically wrote the same thing, so.
Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Yeah. I said you just because you say you're so against it that it would end up happening.
It would.
I know.
No. I knew it was gonna be me too.
Yeah.
This towel. Can I like fan it out?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like in the crevice of my eye. Oh, that's Most of it didn't get on you because you're shielding yourself.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's enough.
Most of it didn't get on you.
Yeah.
Oh.
We made it to the last one.
Oh my god.
Final honors.
My eye.
Great experience, guys. 10 out of 10.
Oh. 10 out of fucking 10.
I just randomly picked another one.
I couldn't think of the word shotgun wedding.
Oh, it's you again. To burn the cookies they're baking. I already know.
That was mine.
I already know.
How.
Yeah, yours are a little
Mine are
sad. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Wait, oh, is it me? Oh, damn it.
I just said it because I was like, well, it can't be me, and I've never seen Celine bake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
And I just said you because you're the only one.
Well,
that-
yeah. Celine was really not an option in this one.
Yum.
Oh my god, that's so
You want the honors? Yeah, you haven't pied her yet.
That sounds like a lot.
No, it's way too much!
Go big or go home. Let me just get the little
Jesus.
cowlick there.
Eat some of it. Yeah, eat some more.
She literally.
Just do it.
Just do it. Do it!
Oh my god. Take the plate. I'm trying to shake it off my eye. But look.
Hi, how you doing? Good.
Great.
You're having fun.
Okay, guys, we made it to the end of the video. Finally, we all tied. What a great little happy ending. So, if you guys like this video, you liked watching me, you like seeing my roommates in it, then you should press that subscribe button down below. It would mean so much, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye! That was truly amazing.
God.
The best experience.
Ugh.
I'm gonna have to do a counter of how many freaking times I like dip my finger and